Hi traders, Anthony here. I just did a video on how to set up your charts, multi-chart layout. This is the follow-up to that video. So if you've just jumped on board with us and you've gained access to the indicators, this will help you get set up. We have our chart layout, and the next thing is to create your lists up here and the alerts. So what I do with this is I have both the, if I load chart layouts here, I've got charts crypto, charts FX. So if you're trading both, you want these separate. Charts crypto has got the crypto down here, the crypto strength indicator. And then if I go over to this one, the charts FX, as you can see up here, I've got the Forex strength indicator down here, and I also have the Forex sessions indicator over on the left. When you set up the alerts, you want to work your way down each list. So I've separated these out. I've got the Forex pairs and I have my crypto list. To create your list, go in here, create a new list, and then add, and it's just a simple matter of going Forex, select your broker. It might be, say, Oanda, whoever it is, and then click on the currency pairs you want, close that, click that again. I don't think there's any B's, but there's going to be a C. CAD yen, so you can start with that, so you can type in CAD, click these and bring them into your list. Okay, so it's much the same with the other list, the crypto list. So that's how you set your list up. And then to set up the alerts, I prefer the breakout alerts on the lower time frame. On the 1 minute chart, it gets me in early and I can see what's going on. So select your time frame, click on the chart. If it's 1 minute, then that will be it there. Simply start from the top of the list here and work your way down, and it's a simple matter of going to the trend channel, add alert, and then you're going to click the breakout once per bar, go OK. And if you want the other one, you can click extended, which is the dots, once per bar, OK. But you want to be selective with the dot alerts, and that's another video. These are the settings I prefer for the alerts. So then we just run through and create those, and then to do the crypto list, you want to open the load chart layout, charts crypto, click that. I've already got it open. There's my crypto chart, and then select the time frame, go to your crypto list, start from the top, and it's the same thing. Add alert once per bar, and then create. Bring your list in, much the same. It's crypto, change the broker, whoever your broker is. What have they got here? They've got ADA, AVAX, Atom, ADA, AVAX, Atom. Right? So you could start with ADA. And there's your pairs. I'm going with ADA Bitcoin and ADA USDT. They're my preferences. Okay, again, select the little plus, AVAX, AVAX. There's your AVAX pairs. You could go with Tether here and maybe AVAX Bitcoin, however you want to do that. So then we have our list. Same thing again with the alerts, run through. I did a video on the dots. Check that out, because you need to be selective with these overextended alerts here. And I mean, that pretty well wraps it up. So just separate the charts. This is the crypto. Go back to your Forex, and you've got Forex sessions and the Forex indicators down here. So when the alerts fire, you can see I have a mix. So there's a Euro Yen, so I'm going to make sure that I'm on the Forex chart. See, I'm here. You can see charts FX up the top. So I'm on the Forex chart, 1 minute up the top, and then click the alert. There's the CAD Yen. So there's, and now the Euro Yen alert. There's the Euro Yen alert, and we stay on the Forex chart. Now, if it's a crypto alert, just go over to your crypto chart, click on the 1 minute time frame, back to your alerts, click on the alert. So keep them separate. It's very simple. You're just working between Forex and crypto if you're trading both, and you've got your alerts here. That's pretty much it. Stay tuned, watch the other videos. Safe trading. See you in the next video.